Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing credentials. Create your Keyauth app and copy the name, ownerid, secret, and version. Once done, install the Python client with pip so dependencies are ready. Then create your main Py file, import the Keyauth class, and instantiate it with those credentials. This immediately opens the authentication channel to the service. Make sure to store secrets in environment variables or a protected config to avoid leaking keys into source control. You now implement the core logic, call auth, login for returning users or auth, register for new ones, and capture the session token that Keyauth returns. Once authenticated, verify the license type, expiry, and whether the client version is allowed. This enforces updates and subscriptions. Use the token to gate feature access and store it securely in memory or an encrypted cache. If an action fails, revalidate the token rather than assuming success to prevent unauthorized access. You finish by packaging and deploying the Python app. Use PyInstaller or a zip distribution and include runtime integrity checks so tampering triggers ruth. Once deployed, monitor API responses and log errors. Implement exponential backoff for transient failures to avoid hammering the Keyauth endpoint. Make sure you provide a revocation path so server-side blacklists force logout. Troubleshooting tip: if authentication fails, check system time. Secret/owner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.